Hi, Henk Akkerman, Supply Network Dynamics Chapter 6, clip number 4, Historical Behavior. If we go to the historical behavior of this case, then what we see here is let's first move to, here is the number of historical cases per FTE, is the red one. Sorry, it's the blue one. The red one is what is the same thing, but that's called in the model employee productivity. You see there's a nice historical fit there. Also the historical FTE, the blue line with the red line, which is the total nominal FTE. Somehow, historically, there's been an even more restrained policy in hiring than there has been than there is in the model. But there is a nice fit there as well, and also with the case handling rate. So the model nicely mimics what happened in time on these overall indicators. What do you see? Well, first of all, you see the case intake increase, almost double in those years. The case handling rate nicely follows, not so much because there are more people there, but because of the employee productivity, which is going up. Here is an outsourcing rate. So this is what's happening. More cases, a little bit more people, but mostly higher productivity. And how did they pull it off? Well, what you see here is that there's no way about it. If you increase your FTE, you have to get new people on board. And so the total FTE is especially brought about by a sharp increase in new employees. Those employees do not, well, some of them leave, but most of them become experienced and so move from the blue to the red line. And that's how we get a total nominal FTE here. In the beginning, there is a high workload, and that even, well, it almost increases a little bit. So no way about it, that will hurt employee satisfaction, and because it takes longer to handle, and because of the workload, the way that you are communicated with is less positive, there will be an effect also on customer satisfaction. As you see nicely here, there's a dip here because there's a longer handling period and the communication is not well, but gradually you get a strong impact from the effective expertise. So that's what happened historically.